Wow. I haven't been on here in a while. I'm in Chicago. I came to Chicago to escape the Hurricane Irma. I'm from Chicago originally. I have family here, so it made sense to have like a little mini vacation. And now we're just walking around downtown and we're gonna check out some of the sights here. Craziness. It's bananas. It's bananas.
God, what's the name of this place called again?
Yo no sé, pero me gusta. What is this? Do they come have concerts over here?
They do. And people just sit on the lawn.
I love it.
They have symphonies.
Woo!
That's the most common thing here, to see symphonies and opera music.
I don't get a ticket because this is what I do in Miami. I never get pulled over, but here they might see me and pull me over.
Wait, why does it say no right turn?
Oh,
I don't understand. How come? Why does it say that?
I'm just gonna follow that. Wait, but I'm in a right lane. I'm in a turning lane.
But it says no right turn.
But I'm in a turning lane.
I don't understand.
There's a guy behind me who's turning behind me.
There's a police officer right there.
No, but I was in a, look, the guy behind me even turned. I was in a turning lane. It said turn, right.
I don't know why it said that. I didn't make up the street rules, but there's a cop right there who saw you make the turn.
Yeah, well, it's too late now. It was on this street, wasn't it?
Uh-huh.
You run, can't run. Look at the joggers jogging downtown. I love it. I'm getting pedestrians walking out in the front of their car. I love it. It's great. It's great.
doing?
I'm recording myself.
Oh,
Hey everyone, today is Sunday. I think it's the 17th of September. I'm just now getting back from Chicago, and wow, that hurricane really swept through the city of Miami. Not a lot of destroyed property per se, but a lot of downed trees and debris. I left not last week but the week before last, just before the hurricane hit. On Wednesday I drove from Miami to Chicago. I left at like 6 o'clock in the morning, and I arrived on Thursday. I want to say the 7th. I'm not really sure. I didn't even have any time to really think about it. I got 3 hours of sleep that night, and my family was just like, come to Chicago before this hurricane comes. So and that was a 25-hour drive because everyone was leaving. And I imagine the days that followed, more and more people were hitting the road. I tried to buy a plane ticket, wasn't gonna happen, so I ended up driving. Plus I didn't really want to leave my car because I was worried it was gonna be flooded here. Just got back this morning. Like I said, where I live is okay, but I don't know if you can see, like, around me, the neighborhood. It's like down trees and debris everywhere. The neighbors here, they're just doing a lot of cleanup. But for the most part, I mean, not a lot of damage. So I'm very thankful. Happy to be back. Miss my family already though. Hurricanes, living in South Florida, crazy. driving to work in the different neighborhoods. I can see a lot of downed trees, wires hanging, street lights not working properly, even like on the railroad, you know, those, I don't know, barriers that drop down, that's not working properly. So yeah, it's a lot of damage. I haven't seen like actual damage to homes, but I'm sure there is a lot of damage to homes. I know my neighbor, a tree fell in their pool. I have a friend who a avocado tree fell on their roof. So I know a lot of people have had a lot of damage to their homes. Even where I work, the building, the structure, not the structure, I'm sorry, the signage was damaged, and we have to like get that fixed. So yeah, it could have done a lot more damage here in South Florida. When I got home, when I left way before the hurricane arrived. I drove to Chicago on a Wednesday morning and got there on a Thursday morning. It took me 25 hours to get there. And when I left, obviously everything was fine. But when I came back, my home was fine. Where I actually live, it's fine inside. I have electricity, and I'm sure we were without power too, probably a few days. I just wasn't there to experience the power outage. But the neighborhood, like, oh, it just, you can tell a hurricane swept through there. And the thing about it is, the hurricane didn't go directly over Miami, so it could have done a lot more damage. And it didn't even go directly over Miami. That's the crazy thing about it. And to see like the different neighborhoods, it's still a lot of houses boarded up, so, and businesses are boarded up. So I'm guessing a lot of people are still not back in South Florida. Like I said, I just got back yesterday. So hurricanes, living in South Florida, I tell you, it's probably time for me to move. I think it's time for me to move. We'll see.